The Intel 4004 is a 4-bit central processing unit considered to be the first commercially available microprocessor. Microprocessor is a single integrated circuit or computer chip that merges all the CPU functions of a computer into a single component. At the heart of modern computers, they are programmable. That means they can be given instructions and return results based on those instructions. Before their invention, multiple chips were required to do the same thing, often spread across numerous racks. Before the 4004, Intel was a memory chip company. In the late 1969, the Nippon Calculating Machine Corporation, also known as BuzzyCom, contracted Intel to create a dozen custom chips for use in their BuzzyCom digital calculator. But Intel didn't have the manpower to complete the contract as written. Then, Intel engineer Federico Fagini and his team were forced to think smarter and came up with a single-chip general-purpose design that could do the work of all 12 components. The resulting 2300 transistor chip had as much processing power as the room-filling computers of the 1960s. A really important thing from the electronic engineer's point of view was that the 4004 was a family of chips that were very easy to use. You could take a handful of chips, all called 4000 something, and then you could put them together to make your system with as much memory as you could afford. Intel wisely brought out the rights from the soon-to-be bankrupt BuzzyCom and decided to sell the powerful chips commercially. In November 1971, with a prophetic ad announcing a new era in integrated electronics, the 4004 was made commercially available to the general market. The 4004 was the first commercially available monolithic processor fully integrated in one small chip. The Intel 4004 is an important part in computer history, but it isn't the first microprocessor. That honor goes to the MP944, part of the central air data computer found inside the F-14 Tomcat. Moreover, the design for the TT-MS-1000 microprocessor was actually completed before the Intel 4004 by Texas Instruments, but TI didn't sell it to the public until 1974. Be succeeded by Intel 8008, 8080 and onward to the 8086, leading to the famous x86 microprocessor family that powers most desktop computers to this very day. If you would like to find out more about Intel 4004, check the links in the description. And if you want this informative and more videos in small random chunky bites, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.